While Jira is primarily designed for agile methodologies, it can be adapted for waterfall project management with a few adjustments. Here's how to use Jira for managing a waterfall project. Create a new project. Go to your Jira dashboard and select Create Project. Choose a project template that suits waterfall needs, such as the task management or project management template. Name your project and configure basic settings. Define project stages. In Waterfall, projects are divided into sequential phases. Create these stages as individual Jira components or labels to categorize tasks accordingly. Set up workflows. Customize the workflow to reflect the linear progression of waterfall phases. Go to Project Settings, Workflows, and create or modify an existing workflow to include stages like To Do, In Progress, In Review, and Done. Create issues. Break down the project into tasks and subtasks. Create issues for each task, assigning them to the appropriate phase or component. Add detailed descriptions, deadlines, and assign tasks to team members. Use Gantt charts. Install a Gantt chart plugin from the Atlassian marketplace, such as Big Picture or WBS Gantt chart for Jira. Use the Gantt chart to plan, schedule, and track the progress of your project phases and tasks visually. Monitor progress. Use Jira's dashboards and reports to monitor the status of tasks and overall project progress. Customize dashboards to include key metrics and visualizations relevant to waterfall project management. Communicate and document. Use Jira's comment and attachment features to communicate with team members and document progress. Ensure all project documentation is attached to relevant tasks for easy reference.